Hey guys. Okay, so you bought a camera. Now what? So this is the one of the biggest things that I feel like a lot of people email me about is that they've seen my journey from literally going from teacher to stay-at-home mom, and now I'm just like some kind of like luxury wedding photographer and educator, and like how in the world did that even happen? So I want to give you just like 5 things to do after you get a camera and just steps that'll help you. And this is what I did, and I hope this video helps you. So you got a camera. Now what you need to do is educate yourself. Now, I know this might seem like a daunting task because you're like, I don't even know where to start. Just start watching videos. YouTube and Google are literally like how I know most of my friends learn photography, me included. Now, it was a bumpy road because it's not a blueprint. So, lucky for you, I'm creating a blueprint called the Brittany Bruce Photography Course, and it's coming to you this summer. I'm so excited about it because it's literally going to teach you from the moment that you get your camera out of the box from Amazon all the way to printing your professional frame-worthy image. Super excited for you. But there are so many free things out there if you don't want to have any money to if you don't have any money to spend. There are Facebook groups, there's YouTube, there's Google, and then once you get past that, go look at my YouTube videos. But once you go past that, dive deeper, go to the workshops, take more courses. Like I cannot stress enough how online education and going to workshops literally put me on the fast track to success. And I'm not trying to say that to my own horn, but it only took me this. I'm just now reaching my 3rd year into business from opening the camera box. So I say that to tell you that it can be done. And if I can do it, who I am like technically stupid, if I can do it, so can you. So educate yourself, educate yourself, educate yourself, and then when you think you got it all, keep learning. I attended 2 workshops in a mastermind as we speak. So, and that was just in the last couple months. It's super important. I can't stress it enough. Second thing I want you to do is to join a community of like-minded people who are trying to achieve the same goal. So this is another plug. That's why I have the Brittany Bruce Education Facebook group. The community of women, and there's a couple men in there, like the way that they support each other and answer each other's questions, it makes my heart just like pitter patter. And I'm so proud of the community that we've all created together. Everyone is so positive, and that's really where you need to be, because your family who could care less about photography does not understand you. Your friends who have their own life do not understand where you are. You need a community of like-minded people to help you grow, succeed, answer questions, and once you start learning, you can chime in and start helping other people, because there's always going to be someone ahead of you, but also always going to be someone behind you. So people help you, you help people, and it will also help you to grow just as a photographer. So join a community. I'm going to just put mine out there because it really is a special little tight-knit community that I'm just super proud of, and everyone in there is just so amazing. So educate yourself, join a community, and shoot. Okay, go out there, and I want you to shoot literally every single day. So once you've educated yourself, now you know how to shoot manual mode. Now you need to practice, because knowledge is not power, execution is power. You actually doing it is going to make you grow, and it's going to give you the skill set to grow maybe a future business to make money, which is never a bad thing, right? So I want you to educate yourself, learn your camera in and out, take the manual out, sign up for my pre-registration of the photography course. Like, just make sure that you learn it. Then join a community, which Brittany Bruce Education Facebook group's a great one to start. There's so many out there. Then I want you to go out and shoot. Shoot on your dog. Shoot your plants. Shoot your kids. Shoot your husband. This is sounding really bad right now, but you understand what I'm saying. I want you to go out and shoot everything. One of the first things that I like shot was my best friend, who she was pregnant at the time, and then she had like a 2-year-old little girl. I'm like, hey, can I shoot your family for free? Like, I just knew, I just want to practice. So of course they're gonna say yes. Who doesn't like free images? And from their one free session, I booked 15 others. Okay, so that's a whole nother deal for a whole nother day. But I just want you to go out there and practice and shoot. It'll build your portfolio, build your confidence, and you're helping other people. So the fourth thing that you need to do is become obsessed. I want you to eat, breathe, sleep photography. So what I did, I would be cooking supper and I'm on YouTube and I'm watching videos and I'm taking my classes. At the time when I was starting, I had a newborn. So at 2 a.m., 4 a.m., and 6 a.m., I was taking my photography courses. My mom would come over to have lunch and she's like, what are you watching? I was watching my photography courses because I became obsessed. And whenever you become obsessed with something, you learn it. So get you a book, get you a few friends that you've got from the community, from your Facebook community. Y'all meet up and shoot each other for headshots. Just become obsessed. Do it every single day, and you're going to grow just exponentially. Even if it's not for a business and you just want to do it for a hobby, get obsessed. Do it all the time. Do it every single day. And then the fifth thing, and this is a really, really big one, is don't quit. You're going to want to, and especially when you feel like you can't figure something out, you are going to want to quit. Why am I doing this? Why am I wasting my time? Like, who did I think that I was? Because, I saw this girl over here do it. Like, who do I think I am? I can't do this. I'm not smart enough. I'm not good enough. I'm not talented enough. That's crap. I want you to just don't quit. Keep going. This is not an easy thing to learn. Not only are you learning the technical side of a machine, you're also learning about light. You're also learning about posing. You're also learning about business and marketing. Like, it is a freaking lot. But I just want to please ask you, don't quit. Some people's journeys are going to skyrocket and go faster because maybe they have more time. Other people's photography journey is going to take it a little slower depending on where you are in your life. And that's okay. It's not a race, but I just beg you, don't quit. Okay? Photography is literally a blessing. It's a blessing to yourself and it's a blessing to other people. So I'm going to say it one more time. Make sure you educate yourself, join a community, shoot every single day, get obsessed, and don't quit. That's what you need to do whenever you first get your camera. So I hope this video was encouragement to you. I hope this helped a little bit. I know it wasn't very technical, but I do feel like it's needed to share about. So if you have any questions, comments, or anything, join our Facebook community. Literally, even if you don't have a camera and you're just watching this video, join our Facebook education community, Brittany Bruce Education, and let me know what you thought. I'm in there every single week. I go live and answer the questions, and I'm just there to help. So I will see you soon. I hope this helps. I love you guys. See you later.